मेन इंटेंशन आशिल्लें की रेवन्यू डिपार्टमेंट समज आमी परत सारके घडयतले टू मेक इट व्हेरी इंटरेक्टीव विथ द कॉमन मॅन, गेटिंग एवरीथिंग डन एट द कॉमन मॅन्स डोर स्टेप म्हणटा अशें, जाल्यार वी नीड टू चेंज आनी द डिपार्टमेंट हॅज टू चेंज. वी नीड टू हॅव लिटल रिफॉर्म्स कमिंग इन द डिपार्टमेंट. ऑनरेबल CM has already outlined a lot of ideas through his budget आनी ताजे खातीर थोड्यो गजाल्यो इमिजिएटली स्टार्ट जावच्यो. हाज्या खातीर द मॉडेल टू ऑपरेट इज समथींग वीच वी हॅव शेअर्ड टुडे, where we need the people in the system to be equipped with the ideas what we want to flow down the line. ताज्या खातीर e-governance will be the main model which we are talking about today to take it ahead. E-governance म्हणटा आसतना e-district is one software which will take care of all governance, which will take care of mutation, which will take care of partition, which will take care of various other activities under the ambit of revenue department. दुसरे रायट टू टायम बाउंड सर्विसीस एक्ट जो हें जाल्लो तो रेवन्यू डिपार्टमेंट आय थिंक विल बी वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट डिपार्टमेंट्स टू इम्प्लिमेंट इट, वेर इन ऑल कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट्स बाकीच्यो सर्टिफिकेट्स ज्यो लोकांक कंटिन्युअस सेवा जाय पडटा हे युजींग टेक्नॉलॉजी आय थिंक वी आर ट्रायंग टू गिव इट टू द पर्सन, रिड्युसींग हीज फ्लो टू द ऑफिस ऑफ द मामलतदार एंड डेप्युटी कलेक्टर एट द सेम टायम एन्श्युरिंग दॅट दिस आर टायम बाउंड सर्विसीस. So systems जाग्यार घालप which we are given as a priority. I think we have already started the work and the action mode has been explained to the people in the system today. हाज्या खातीर थोड्यो गजाली एप्रिलच्यान ज्यो सुरू जातल्यो हातून आमकां जंय we have seen how to make it people friendly and very important is passing a very strong slogan of zero corruption to zero tolerance to corruption. So yeah, slogan with the proper branding and other things of the departments is what we are planning. And interactive karpa, a lot of measures have been discussed. In couple of days, I think we'll be able to highlight a few issues to you on basically how we are intending or planning to go about. Main intention is सर्वसामान्य लोकांक सादेपणान सेवा मेळची आणि government servants we always say are public servants. So I think we need to start performing. Revenue department is the heart and soul of the government. And I think here Honorable CM also is very clear that he wants these issues to be resolved. So in tandem we are working out different reforms and other things which in the long run will go a long way to get Goa on a IT map or IT enabled services which will give better governance to the people.